BRNS was incorporated by my Tauji, late Shri Santoshi Goyal ji, and by my father, late Shri Prem ji Goyal, with an installed capacity of 74 Kolhus and 10 expellers. With the passage of time, I joined as a second generation in 1990, and wherein we expanded our production facilities, which now, as on date, is around 278 Kolhus and 30 expellers, with an installed capacity of 60 tons per day of oil and 150 tons of cake under the brand name Rani. Rani is a registered trademark of our firm. Both Rani mustard oil and mustard cake are the registered trademark, and we have got excellent lab facilities. Believe in consistent quality both in oil and cake. We have excellent facilities in our production unit as well as packaging unit. We have got an excellent distribution network, and I have worked for 36 years under the able guidance by my Tauji late Shri Santoshi Goyal ji and by my father late Shri Prem ji Goyal. In our firm, me and my daughter Shubhangi Goyal are working in this firm. We are known for our pure quality of mustard oil and mustard cake. Thank you.